What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to share with you how to find profitable niches for KDP using Etsy. So welcome back to StackinProfit. My name's Paddy and over here we give you the tools and resources to learn, grow and master passive income streams so that you can live a life of freedom. Now, like I said, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to easily find KDP niches over on Etsy. So here we are on Etsy, and I've already got a few tabs open just to make the video a little bit shorter. Now, one of the things that you can start searching, now let me backtrack a little bit actually. I'm going to share with you 4 different search terms that you can search over on Etsy to find KDP niches. Now, the first one being Printable Planner. Now, top tip, if you're trying to research planners over on Etsy, obviously they're all going to be printable, so that's why you want to put Printable Planner. Now, remember, we're not actually doing this to try and find interiors to sell on KDP. We're using Etsy to find niches, only to find niches, profitable niches at that. So let's just take a look under Printable Planner. Now, if you want to do any of this research yourself, just go over to Etsy and start putting in the search terms which I'm sharing with you, because you're going to find some really great niches. Now, on the first page, we can already see that there's a bunch of different niches that we could write down in a notepad to build out a huge list. And then once you've got that list, you can go over to Amazon and start researching more to actually find those profitable keywords within these niches. Now, if we look here, let's take a look. So Printable Planner. On here, we can see there's quite a few. So here we have a grocery printable planner. So if we just hover over that, we can get that up. Printable menu planner bundle, a grocery list printable. So this is something that we could actually write down. So right here, I'll just put it into a list, grocery, just that one keyword. And then I'd go over to Amazon once we've got the list and start doing research over there. So that's one idea. Then we have a daily, weekly and monthly planner. That's just your standard planner. Then here we have a wellness planner. So I would write this down, wellness. And then we have an adulting planner. Never heard of that, but that could work. So I would write that down. Ramadan, just here. So a Ramadan planner. And then a password planner. So password, or a password logbook, a password tracker. There's so many different types of niches out there. Now, we've got 4 ideas just from these first 4 alone. And there's still so many more ideas. Now, if we look here, we have a wall planner, so I'm not sure about that. Alcohol, ink, family meal. So this is a meal planner, so I would write that down. Then we have a wedding planner, student planner. As you can see, there's just so many different types of ideas. Budget planner, small business planner, weekly meal planner. I would go ahead and write all these down into a list. Just keep building out that list. And then, once I've got that list, I would go over to Amazon. But let's just carry on looking through here. Another student planner. Printable daily planner. So there's a daily planner, travel planner, household planner, social media planner, and so many more. And this is just from typing in Printable Planner. And if we go down to the bottom, let's just scroll down. Right down to here, we have lots of different pages that we can go through. So come through to Etsy and start researching Printable Planner. Now, that's one way that you can research. A second way is typing in Printable Logbook. And again, you're going to get so many different types of ideas. From here, we can see a reading journal, a book lovers reading tracker, so a reading tracker journal. What's this one? This is a book review journal. And again, just so many ideas. Here we have an accounting ledger, book lovers bundle, a senior caregiver daily log. That's very specific. So I would write that down. I would write that down here into a list. And we have another book tracker, password log. Just again, so many ideas. Fishing logbook, bathroom logbook, reading journal again, baby and child logbook. So as you can see, There's just so many ideas. Ideas are absolutely everywhere, but come through and search that one as well. Printable logbook. Then the third thing that you can actually search is a printable tracker. Now, do you see the theme? I always put printable because that way you're just going to find a hell of a lot of niches, because printables is a really, really big industry and it grows every single year. Now, you can actually use this research to create printables to sell on Etsy as well. That's something that I don't do. I keep meaning to get into it, but I just haven't found the time. Anyway, from here, printable tracker. And on here, the first page, we can see, again, so many different types of niches. Habit tracker. We have another habit tracker just here. A sleep tracker. And what's this one? This is a packing slip tracker. So I've never heard of that one. That could be really interesting. So I'd write all these down. Packing slip tracker. I'm going to put tracker after that just so I know what it was. But again, on this first page, we can see so many different types of niches. Income and expense tracker. 75 hard challenge. So I don't get that. That's a progress tracker. Okay, so that's another niche. A saving journal. Just so many different types of niches. I don't understand when people say that KDP is saturated, because there's a gazillion different niches that you could create books around. And we can see that just by researching planners, logbooks, trackers, journals and things like that. So if we carry on going through, we can see more niches. We have another book tracker, weight loss tracker, or a weight loss journal. A budget and couldn't get my words out. A budget journal. So many different types of niches. A movie tracker, that would be great. But again, I'll just keep going through all of here, going through all the different pages, writing down into my list, just filling that out and making it as big as I can. So come through and check out that as well. That is printable tracker. Then the last one I want to share with you is printable journal. Just another search term that you can search over on Etsy to find some really, really great niches. Look right here. So a house plant record book. So this would be a house plant tracker or a house plant journal, something like that. Then we have a kids daily journal, bullet journal as well. Ideally, you want to stay away from the words bullet journal because that is actually trademarked. Now, the way to get around that is by using dot grid journal, because they're exactly the same thing, apart from bullet journal is trademarked. So don't go and publish anything with bullet journal in it. So please remember that as well. But if we take a look here, just more niches. Manifestation mindset planner. Who would have thought, hey? And I bet there's people actually searching this over on Amazon. And there's just so many more. As we can see here, a pregnancy journal. If we scroll down, we have the weight loss. We have a reading planner. Personalised weight loss. Antique, I can't say that word. Herbarium. Botanical. Stully. No, that's not even a planner, is it? So let's go past that one. But we can see more and more niches. So use Etsy for brainstorming a bunch of ideas, because you're going to find some really great ones, and use those search terms: printable planner, printable logbook, printable tracker, and also printable journal, and you're going to come across so many niches. Then once you have your list, you can go over to Amazon and then use this list to find the profitable keywords. So how would you do that? Well, you'd have to have the SPT Chrome extension, that's Self-Publishing Titans, Chrome extension installed. You can find that at selfpublishingtitans.com. Make sure it's turned on. Then once it's on, you'll just start going over here in the search bar. Let's change that to all. And then just start taking your list of keywords and niches. So I'm going to take this one because this intrigued me. I wanted to see if that was actually people searching for that. So actually there's not. I didn't think there was, but you never know. So let's just do that. Packing slip tracker. Nope. Packing slip planner. No. Journal. No. But again, I just wanted to check that. But with this, I just take all this. So grocery. Grocery list planner. And as we can see, Amazon's auto-populating it. There's extra keywords as well. So now I would dive deeper into this, seeing if it's worth the time me actually creating that book. And again, I'd go through the whole list after spending a good few hours researching here on Etsy. So this is what I've actually been doing myself over the last couple of weeks. Last week I come up with a list of over 100 niches for journals, trackers, logbooks and planners, and I shared them all within the LCB vault. And then this week I actually researched 100 more, bringing the total up to 200 niches for these types of books, and again I shared them all within the LCB vault. So if this is something that you're interested in and you want 200 niches all related to journals, planners, trackers and logbooks, then come and check out the LCB vault by clicking that link down below. And if you don't want to, just come over to Etsy and start researching. The more you research, the better niches that you're going to find. And remember that niches are absolutely everywhere. You can find them on Etsy, you can find them on Amazon, you can find them on Creative Fabrica. Coming up with the ideas and brainstorming a list of niches is really simple. It shouldn't really be that hard, as we can see just from here browsing on Etsy. So coming up with the list of ideas is the easy part, and then the slow, boring part is seeing what niches are profitable, because that's what takes the time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.